Hey, this is the Shark Lift Away Deluxe Never Lose section. It is, bagless. What's nice about this is that it has a washable filter. I've had this for, I don't know, 8-10 years. It's still holding up great. Get this full of our carpet debris. We have carpet, we have hardwood in our kitchen and dining, and it works great. The cord wrapper and the attachments still intact. Here's your power. Look at the rollers. I mean, the rollers are still not even that bad. So it does a really good job of maneuvering, I would say, and just step on it. It feels light, even though it is a full size, or I store it in my garage. It's full size upright. It's not terribly heavy. I'm like petite woman, and I have no problem. It feels light when you're gliding, very glidey on the floor. Yeah, I'll do a full demonstration video later, but I just wanted to get this to you guys that it lasts, it picks up well, very good suction, very good swivel, control steering, and attachments, washable filter. Those would be the highlights. Hope you consider this for your upright vacuum needs. Thanks.